What's up, guys? So this week we've got the old Cummins work truck in the shop. Now this is an electrician friend of ours, and it's a 2018 Ram 2500. You can hear it rattle, you can see the badge, it's got a Cummins in it. So we're doing the 6.5-inch zone, some sweet 22-inch ARKON Off-Road Lincolns, and some 37-inch Nitto Ridge Grapplers. So I'm gonna pull this thing in the shop, we're gonna get ripped apart and see what we can do.